Hello and welcome to Online Q's, the YouTube channel for your online queries. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Tinder app onto your phone and sign up for Tinder at the same time. So go to your Play Store or the App Store on your mobile phone. This depends on which device you are currently using right now. So click on install and click on accept over here on your Google Play Store. Now, what basically is Tinder for you is that it's an online dating app where you create an online dating profile and you kind of find matches by swapping right, and you can chat with them from the inbox itself and then go on dates if you want to. So basically, it's to help you find dates online. There are also other online dating apps that you can easily download from the Google Play Store or the App Store, and that is Plenty of Fish. Now, Plenty of Fish might have premium features and freemium features. Freemium features might not include a lot of features that you can use, but still, it's a way to get yourself noticed online in the online dating world. So the app will take quite some time to download depending on your internet speed, but you can easily download it for free. And the thing about Tinder is that it's basically focused on regional base, meaning it's gonna be honed onto your location so that you can find dates that are nearer to you. So here you can find similar apps from chatting online or basically finding dates online. So you can see that Tinder is safely downloaded into my mobile app. So I'm gonna open it. So now that is loaded. So basically, you don't really have to sign up for anything. You can kind of, log in with your Facebook account, and then you just need to authorize the use of Tinder from your Facebook account. And once you've authorized it, you can kind of start using Tinder like this. So first you need to do is verify it with a phone number. So just type in your phone number. So click on next. This is verifying my phone number. Now I would receive a code in the SMS, so what I have to do is type that in. So I click on continue. Now that is verified, I can easily use the Tinder app, and here you can see I'm getting matches. So basically what I do is I can edit my profile, put up a new profile picture, which basically is from my Facebook account, so I can choose any one of this, and then I can edit details about me, like I am 24 years old, I am a Sagittarius, and then I can talk about my job title, and then which company that I'm working on, and whether I'm schooling right now. And then I can also connect my Instagram. I'm not going to do that for now. And I can choose my gender, and then I could show my age or not show my age. And I can also make my distance invisible. But this is quite premium, I guess. So this is how I made a Tinder profile, and you can easily make it yourself as well. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on our videos.